some sustenance first. What
I
do you think?
agree.
Yes, I'm so glad that we watched all of those videos on the Virginia Department of Emergency Management website.
Those guys rock.
We learned so much. So, we're going to make a cold tuna noodle salad. Watch us.
Okay, Sharon, I need you to grab that water there and pour it in that pot. And then I need you to grab these 2 bags of ramen and throw that in the pot. And then once that ramen cooks, we're going to add 1 ounce of sun-dried tomatoes, 1 ounce of bacon bits, 2 ounces of Velveeta cheese, 1 tablespoon of your favorite seasoning, recommended Weber's Kickin' Chicken.
Yeah!
2 each top ramen chicken flavored beef or shrimp works well too. 1 each a ½ ounce of ranch seasoning pack. And 4 each of packets of mayo from the 7-Eleven as you're leaving town.
Add some tuna!
Okay.
That looks so delicious! If only we had something. Wait a minute! This looks so delicious! Oh my God! It looks delicious! Amazing!
A meal now. Run for your lives.
This cold tuna noodle salad looks delicious.
It's so good too.
I'm so glad that we stopped to make this. You know, if it weren't for those videos that the Virginia Department of Emergency Management put up, how would we know what to do? Huh. If only we had friends to share this with.